Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Diki Duyono. Here I will make a strange throat LAN cable assemble tutorial. Before starting the tutorial, I will explain a little about string type cable. String cable is a type of LAN cable whose installation method is the same between one end and the other. The function of the string cable is for the installation of different devices. This type of cable is the most widely used because of its many functions. Function of string type cable is one, connecting a computer to a network switch. 2. Connecting a computer to a network hub. 3. Connecting a computer to a network router. 4. Connecting computer to a LAN network. 5. Connecting the switch to the network hub. 6. Connecting a switch to a network router. So now step to make a string cable. Choose recreate UTP kabel UTP, crimping pillar, tang crimping, terus RJ45 konektor. So LAN tester, but I don't have LAN tester. And a tutorial. Step 1. Peel off the end of the UTP cable approximately 2 cm. So step 2, remove the cable ribbon and arrange the according to the T568B cable standard. So now the sequence pin 1 is white orange. Pin 2 orange. Pin 3 white green. Pin 4 is blue. So pin 5 white blue. Pin 6 itu green. Pin 7 white brown. Pin 8 brown. So this square. And step 3, after the secret is up to standard, cut and flat the cable and with crimping. And after step 4, crimping and press until the pin brush on RJ45 connector. And crimping with crimping and press. And down. And the other one, middle like and purpose one is the same. Step 6, do a test. The LAN tester tool is the line are on its sequence. It's saying that you can make a strange type of UTP cable. Because here I don't have a LAN tester, so I didn't test it just until to try to make it. Maybe That's all I can say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.